Alright guys, so if you do not know, I am Daisha Lynn and thank you for watching this video. I just recently did my hair like, I think it was, I don't know, I think it's like 3 weeks ago. About 3 weeks ago, it's almost a month or whatever, so I'm taking it down. Because I need a wash. But I just redid my hair. But because I have plans, I cannot take my whole hair down. Sorry. I'm stuffy. It's like allergy season. And if you don't know, you don't know. So I just took I'm gonna take I'm everywhere. My hair down in the front and redo it because it's getting pretty frizzy. Let me focus my light up here. It's pretty frizzy. So I already did this one. You can tell the difference from this one to the rest of them. Just so I'll have like a fresh look in the front or whatever. And twist whatever ones that need to be retwisted in the back, but I don't really have many that needs to be retwisted, so I'm not really worried about that. So yeah, now disclaimer, there will be background noise. I am a mommy and the house is never quiet ever, so please excuse that background noise. If you can't, I'll try to insert some music to like doodle down some of it, but hey.
Okay, so at this point, lighting is in and out, so please excuse that. And my kids are loud, sorry.
Okay, so I just took my hair down. It's right here. And I have 2 pieces only in the front. And this is just regular Marley hair. In the back of my head, though, it's Marley hair mixed with regular braiding hair because I was running out of hair. And you can see some of the texture, but it's at the very back, so you really can't tell because my hair is always down in the back. But anyways, once I redo this hairstyle, because I love it on me, and it's so fast, and it's like, you know, I'm not getting charged $200 so saving is always good. Anyways, once I start my hair, I go in with my edge control to lay it down. So I'm going in with this. I absolutely love this. Now I'm not sure because of the hold or the smell, but I love both. Also, I was trying a new product, the Carol's Daughters Cocoa Cream. I really like this, only when I wear like a wash and go though. But if I need like extra hydration when it comes to my hair, moisturization in my hair, I tend to use this now. Okay, so this is it. So white consistency. It's really thick. Now, because I have small cuticles, and I've noticed it for my hair. My hair is low porosity as well. So naturally, it takes a while for the moisture to go in. But with even a thicker product like this, it takes longer. So I really don't like to use it on me. I use it on my daughter, and her hair is about the same length as mine, but probably a little longer because her hair is like middle back length or whatever now. So it works for her so well because, you know, she has high porosity hair, or probably in the middle because it just works so well. I'll be back. My hair is like shrinking up already, just adding the product. It's like, of course, but I'll just stretch it right back out. I really just apply this right here with my edge toothbrush and work it through my hands. And this is just the edge control I'm applying to hold my flyaways when it comes to twisting. So yeah, I had a clip to hold my hair to the side. Let me see if I can get this alone. Also, to hold my edges down, because I am washing it tonight anyway, tomorrow night anyway, I use my gel, my preference, to already lay my edges, so my edges will be laid and twisted up already, and it's not like I'm having to redo everything. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm starting off with the front 2 pieces. I'm just grabbing 2 pieces from my edges and right here, intertwining them into 2. Now as I go, I'm adding small pieces of hair to the back, and then I'm going to add the rest. So yeah, I just intertwine the hair, and I'm going to keep twisting over each other Like, you twist the hair around and then you twist it like so. Now I did use Marley hair in the front only because it goes with my hair texture, so even if it's frizzy, it still looks great. So yeah, that's it. And that's it. And really, if you 2-strand twist, then this should really be no problem. Now, unfortunately, I can braid very, very well, but I cannot braid my own hair. Sad. Well, I can box braid my own hair, but I can't like scalp braid my own hair. So I had no choice but to do twist because the practice has not even began to get slightly okay. Not perfect, not even slightly okay with my hair. So I'm gonna just keep practicing on my own head, but I don't know. I don't know why it's so difficult to braid my own hair, but I can braid everybody else's. It's like, please my own hair. Please excuse me. I was eating pizza and I'm breaking out because I've been having like dairy and I'm allergic to dairy, so it breaks me out really, really bad. So I probably should be intaking dairy, but I been intaking dairy a lot. I had a lot of frappuccinos and I should have asked for almond milk. Now the first few ones this week I have asked for almond milk or whatever. That one needs to be redone. But I keep forgetting, like I'm in a rush. I really don't need to intake as much sweets and I'm trying to lose weight because my birthday is in June and your girl trying to be cute in her bathing suit. Now, I don't know. I'm not built. I don't know how I'm built or what's my shape really, because like I have a fairly medium size like bottom end and a smaller upper midsection, I guess. But I have like, I like gain weight in my arms and my face, but I don't really gain a lot of weight in my midsection. That's crazy. Well, to me it is. It's crazy. So I love the way it looks now. It looks fairly new. It looks good. It looks, yeah, it looks better than this. Definitely looks better than this. So yeah, but just stay tuned and I guess I'll come back when I'm almost done because I really don't have much to say. So yeah, oh my gosh. I must have lost my bag to my earring. I had to listen to the back to my earring. Anyway, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna come back or whatever. And stay tuned also. Allergies. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna finish up later. Alright, so I'm on my front camera right now, so it might be different quality, but it'll go back to normal in just a few. I just want to show you guys how I prep my hair for these twists and how they stay moisturized and what I really use. I am natural. I've been natural for like almost 4 years. It's almost 4 years. Oh, I gotta celebrate. Okay, sorry, off topic. I went in with the Carol's Daughters. Like I said before though, it's really heavy. Unless you like heavy product on your hair, works for you. And then I go in with some oil to seal it. I love that oil. It actually helped me with my breakage in the front because I had like bad breakage, and it was like right here at first. Now it's right here. Yeah, so it's growing. And I also use some of my daughter detangler spray from Shea Moistures, and it's just the coconut hibiscus detangler spray, and it's moisturizing as well. Also, my favorite leave-in though is As I Am leave-in conditioner. That's like my always go-to. I would probably never switch up because that is actually what works for me.
I got you some tea.
That's my son head right there. Okay, well, just want to show you how I moisturize. And once again, my name is Daisha Lynn, and thank you for watching this video.